cute in the picture.
You too, my dear.
Yes. Who is calling?
Don't worry, never mind.
Mommy! But Mom, I wanted to tell you something.
What is it?
I'm not liking the environment here in Ghana.
Why?
I want to go back to school in the States because I can take it anymore.
Hello, sweetheart. You're an African, okay? You better start getting used to this environment, alright? Okay, it's alright. Calm down, okay? When you finish your junior high school, you go back to the States, okay?
Promise, Mom.
Cross my heart.
Good. But Mom,
Yeah.
he told me Dad was gonna come back this month, but he's not yet here.
Sweetheart, that's not the issue now, okay? Later you talk to your dad, okay? Call him on phone, alright? But now, we're talking about your school. And that should be the key point right now, okay?
Love matters. Oh, let's see the picture.
You see, now I'm having more followers and stuff.
Oh!
What is that? Huh? My friend, come on, get inside. Come on, get inside. Inside, come on. Please, God. Quiet. Push this thing into your brains. Madam, stop one, stop my phone. You're close to see Ampacho.
Now, so free.
You're from Pacho, Boame. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, hello, madam.
Ernest?
Hello, madam, it's me, Ernest.
Where are you, Ernest? I've been calling your line, it's not going through. Where are you?
I don't know, I would have to ask around, I don't know. But...
And where's my daughter?
Madam, your daughter has been kidnapped.
What? My daughter kidnapped? Where? How?
Madam, I don't know, I would have to ask around.
Please, where are you now? Where are you?
Bacho, how to say?
Bacho, hi,
hello? Hello, madam? Hello? Oh, but your phone is doom.
Bacho, I'm off for how until you light.
Thank you. Bacho, hina menya car, hina what?
Bacho, when you crowd, when you have been a car, station dance. I fast down home.
Bacho, me dance, what's in the mission, me dance?
When you see that.
Boss, make I ask you, what if the woman of you pay in? What money you won't make you travel with?
Don't worry, man. I have some little money we can change.
Okay.
Brother, I hear everything you people are talking over here. Please, this time, I don't want to fight you. Please, give me the money, may I go. Anything where I say, Nagan, we go touch it. Anything where I say, Nagan, go touch it. Give me money, man, I go. And then you touch gun. What kind of life is this? What kind of life are we living for this place?
Hey, Mila.
Madam Budi homes. That's some questions.
This is what happened, madam.
I don't think so. You know, as a politician, things like this could always happen. But and here is not my country, so I can't place hand on anything. I can't even remember. There's no one. I can't remember anything. I'm not having any problem with anyone.
Okay then. You will leave everything to me, okay? You leave everything to me. I think I have to do a further inquiry and get back to you, okay? I think I have to take you over to the station for a proper interrogation. Right. Let's go. Come on. Let's go.
Please excuse me, okay?
You can see me, I can see you. This is a video call. You ran away. It left me to take your position as an ambassador, huh? You've forgotten that I gave you all the oil deals and all the links. Look, let me tell you something. There's no hiding place for the golden fish.
What do you want from me? What do you want from me?
$2 million.
What?
$2 million in cash, you heard me the first time. And I'm not joking here. Listen, go and arrange that money. And don't forget that you dumped me after you had all the deals working right for you. But this time around, you're not going to go scot-free. See out here?
Please, I beg you, don't hurt my daughter. Don't hurt my daughter, okay?
Arrange the money and make sure you don't get the police involved. If you do, you will never see your daughter anymore. You know what I can do, don't you? You know me very well.
Please, I'm begging you, okay? Please forgive me, whatever I've done to you. I'm very sorry, okay?
I'll kill her. I'm not joking. You have 3 days. No police. 3 days.
Whatever I've done to you, please forgive me, okay?
Meaning you know him, right?
Exactly. So what do we do now? What are we going to do?
Okay. You let him up in the police. Once we have his voice, we can track him down.
No. Let's not involve the police in this, okay? Let's handle it secretly, okay? I don't want to involve the police. That guy is very dangerous. I know him. If he has any clue that I've involved the police, if he notices I involved the police, he might end up killing my daughter. I beg you,
Let's not involve the police at all.
Okay. The police are very intelligent. The police could do all their means. All their means to get back your daughter without anything happening to your daughter. To be saying so, I know what to do. Okay? Just don't worry, I know what to do.
Please try your best for me. Okay?
You do everything for me. I know what to do.
Listen to me. Seems you're not serious, eh? I've given you 3 days, and you all messed up. I'm giving you another 3 days just because of the friendship I had with you in the past. Do you understand me? Look, give her a death slap.
Please, I beg you in the name of God, because you know now, because I'm going to pay you. Don't let anything happen to my daughter.
I'll kill her if you don't care. I want my money, 3 days, or else I'm taking her across the Burkina Faso border into Cote d'Ivoire, and you'll never see her again.
Please, Biko.
3 days.
Hello?
As I had a discussion with you, that I'm going to bring your driver out from the cells to help me to locate the village where your daughter has been kidnapped. So he's out purposely to help the whole scenario. And you know what? I have some men that I want you to lead them to the village where you said you were kidnapped, so that they could track those people. Okay?
Officer, with all due respect, if I can lead your guys to the village, I can do it. I simply can lead them.
What are you talking about? You will not take them to the village, eh? You want them to kill my daughter? You're not serious. Hey! I don't want you to get me upset, okay? You must take them there to get my daughter back, okay? If they want to kill you, let them kill you. I wonder why they didn't even kidnap you and let my daughter go. I wonder why they did not kidnap you and let my daughter go. What are you sitting down here doing? You have not started. My friend are cold. My friend are cold.
See those guys. A gun was placed in my mouth. I nearly lost my life. Please, I simply can't do it.
So you cherish your life more than the life of my daughter, right?
Officer, listen. I was brutally handled through the bush. Okay, I was tied up in the bush. I was slapped severally, blindfolded. A gun was placed in my mouth. I nearly lost my life. You're here asking me to go back to that village. Officer, tell me if I'm your brother, would you ask me to go back to that village? No. To that bush?
No, don't listen to me.
No.
Just in case you're focusing yourself. I said I took risk coming. Bringing you out from this house. And it's all about, if you're going to help us, or you're going to help my men to locate where the daughter, as you said, were kidnapped, including yourself, then you'll be free. So you either go with my men, or you go back to South. So are you going or you're not going? These are my guys. as I told you about. He's Fred and he's Jake. Jake and Fred, her name is Madam Choice, a Nigerian ambassador to Ghana. Okay. And then there is Ernest, the driver I told you about.
Ernest?
Yeah.
All right, thank you, boss. All we need from him now is his cooperation. 1, you do not make or receive calls in public concerning this operation. 2, you lay your ears down on the ground. Report to us anything suspicious. All right, that's all.
Please, I beg you. Try your best and get my daughter back. It hurts me so much that all these things are happening. Just try and get her back for me. I will reward you handsomely. Okay?
Madam, you can count on us. We are professionals. Yeah.
Okay.
You are set to go.
All right.
Do you know Nigeria where you talk about? Do you know that place? Why are you telling me that? You are telling me so no lie. Don't try it. Tell me. No, you are delaying me. You are delaying me. Please. I can go. I came here because of the money. Not you come and kidnap somebody's daughter. What are you trying to tell me? No money for you until I finish this deal. Can't you get that into your head? The grace. You are leaving me. I beg you, I will slap you. Brother!
Who had that one idea? I see them from a biasa. I was swimming via Major Musim from a biasa.
Which is, I know,
30 cities.
30 Ghana cities. Okay. 30 cities. Can I 300,000? Is there any problem with you?
Shit! Ah! Minimum some common strands to us and come. Now, Pacho, medical do no more harmony.
But you maintain 30 cities.
Scadi only problems oh nah.
But you me person who say a dry, I mean washroom inside.
So I'm horocana.
Debut.
Nafi Aden washroom. A Jana Bian baby, I'm baby now. I can't bassa. And I open away.
Go inside.
I didn't crew for the Timin says a 9 piano. Baby, I'm moving darling, and you know them more. Who Baba de Wajana, not a higher than you have here. And now, hey, pleasing. Madam, if you had a sound was just in you. A Jana no crumple, no be chop when Slimmy and San walk with Jana. At a giant bua, bet me of Jaliama, what? That's all I'm not walk with Jana Yamba. So bet me, dear. Bet me.
It's okay.
As I manage it.
I got some more. We are one day is a fun bro. I will yaba. You would that. Yeah, me, I am a dear Bionumana, and we are home in dinner. Yeah, be more so many people. How many you won't cry? When you have a hand, maybe. Bibi awa haja na bia ni baby abegale nyina wo fia. Why?
Hey, listen, you're testing my patience, yeah? Look, let me tell you something. You know what I can do if you don't bring that money today. Okay? I won't tell you again.
Madam, stop crying. Everything will be okay. Madam, please.
My sister, I just pray so because I can't believe this is happening to me.
Oh, madam.
I can't believe it.
God will do it. Please, madam, God will do it. Madam, stop crying. I know my God will do it. Oh, madam. Stop crying. Oh, madam. Stop doing this. Eh?
Oh, God. Please, I need you to help me. Help me. My only daughter.
God will do it.
Who could do this to me?
Emranti. Edi me frema anya bon. Kulum ha monna mo ko tiri bati nyina. Ma hwe mo a menyimuni. Adwuma mo ka se mo ba kulum aba ba gidan no maye no. Mi hu dada mi hu we ana mo dane na ba adwuma foforo. Mo anka sanyem bia de adwuma na mo ye.
Bra. But I'm the last in command udi no one tea see.
You can't blow for man from Gakraman.
You can't put a 71 to the next passage. The tennis with them the buffon kakra amwati ase. Ye network operators. Mini ye more network company bi o kokesium. The tennis say ye nhwemu no hu se no krum ha de mo lake network. Abaya ba ha nyina ne se. Ye pese be serve krum ha. Eni nkru network so nyina na ye hwe be a network enya adwuma. Na yeso amount ye post wo honom se ne be ya wo benya network etime ye ko ha se na se kwa ba kwa SB ati se service nche na enti ama mo course na mo ye no mo ntimi nya course ye enti ye pese ye boa mo na mo nya service etimi eye course no ntimi e ba se na se ya wo ha na ye pibia na ekobush pibia na ekobush ono ye ko he be bia manfofu efu bia ni no be bia ho ye spacious ebitimi di po na si
ye ya na mo de asie mi ai ani esa de mo kan sa de a mo ya de de kopim se kurom ha ye won o peso ye kwa bra wo bre network no edwane kwasha na kwasha edwane kwasha de ko me ya de bi me ye ko me gina phone so sa na atiko me hwehwe tie fi so nam konya network ade mo ya de sima ba kurom ha akobi na anu ase mu ante oh akwai kwaye ko na se network na dwane akwahye kube so no no so hwehwe ani mu wo furu kube nto a network no no kwache network to ne kasa no oh fofi anto ata awele wo sem kuru ye ntam kase no hwitim na kwanda ho na phone na ka soro ho anya asem ko twa bra
yete kuna na fo
ye gina ase ne hwehwe nipa kura no ne kasa hello ya tu ye ni afun yi na hye suruwe se na anoma bi gina ho na anoma ni ti afun no so na afun no beto fom battery yi nso ne nipa nda so kasa
se ba ya
we se ya ba kwasem ye ntam kase na wo ka kuro ya na afun kuro ya na afun akwa me wo ya sure se wo ne wo kuro kase mu
me ne free ba
won se kuro mu ni kura
me ne ba
look at encyclopedia joy when I find time kura chete se wo free kuro wo nye kuro kase wo nye ho na free ho
oh no free ba oh no free ba
won so me nye mu ni de kwa pem se ti a wuti we wo se ta ifu e bi akwa ya wo bonyumi wo kuro kase first kura ne type na ne type pai no Buyam! Say, dear, we're standing firm into a CNC sanity. Oh, Wabeto nyuma no ababu abidin. Sabway. Sabway. Machobane na mamie anu. Machobane na mafimfam no. Maya eh. Baba no mafimfam no. Maya. Ai, abway.
Stoneboy.
Ah, zakwa no. We sen pa wa pompom ai se de o sen. Ni pesu amuye. Maya de. If you say, my dadwini ye ho. De ko mi se kurom ha ye we. Ye ni hwe wa ha bibi pa bi ani ha. So ti mo ye madwin se mu besi po ni de anya be boa ye pa. Ah, tenti amusi amamma ne ha mu. When mi so man mu amanfo bi aye won tere pese ye pam wo mu. Se America for to wo ba hai. Kwantana mu be fo yi, krofo mi enu. Oh, yes, you are my dear, who are quite damning. Not as a mukram, moon tickle cassia moo. Mekram work class and cramate. Oh, yes, I'm penny because it's our mobile out. Yajin to get the woman that's why. Yanny, I won't cry. I'm on for crack a casse, woman at double my paint to a home black abaculum, and I'm sure Debbie, my save more honor. I'm sure Debbie. More money on me a cock off for. I'm saying, my dear, we are safe. Madame Moon see you. Aha, kiwo. Kurumba maba. Mo ye mo duma mo hweso ni. Ewiase. Ye di agura ni ye di aguro. Ba ko to man fansa nwo baabi. E ya goboni. Kurum ha mo ba e master je mo se. Mo ko bia, mo di menu ya ba e di mochi. Efia ha ye wa ye ofia he nya me nkona mte ha. Me nim nananum ani mpanimfu a eja me hoko nya asem ketua. They say Bema Bakwa come unim say Bema de Kitu be. Timme, near Dimitri Fias, me refuse so. A woman to a mo quadia, but de be our musoma die. And mammy, I dream puffer could you. Near me be singing now, catch them. Tina and mammy Busamon. Now so a coming near Baba. Miss Remo. Unyan me, Miss Remo, woman in why? There be a fan would much, there be a Mahupa. Nice away a boy. Me a boy. Me ko kan na say me ya jealous. Na so me nua ba man kan be ha me. Ti me sere mu amamu fani ni mo chinko. Man hwe ya mbo wan say onu susu abanyem no onu so abe vagabond boy atufia. Sa China fo e ba kurom ha. Bra sister pani be hwe. Wo mu ba kurom mu firi ha akọ enkwala wo mawo magu kurom ha 72. Enu fro bi ba asoma no a na on te China ka say jai because wo fra no when on kono no asase. Ho so boy. Once more, should I lack on time? I said, I said, yet do attempt fine. Near Jaffa so called Miss Remo. If you are hamity, woman, you know, word, Yamitinaja, when I take you over and to me, so gaga. Will you go home at me, so gaga? Wait, and one thing I'm feeling, Mamma, that's it.
Numan! Where did you man now? Brother, where is the goal now? Where is the goal? Brother, you promised me to give me the money. Why you don't want to give me this money?
What's the matter with you? Huh?
You are telling me when Mama died, you promised to take care of me.
You want me to go and sell myself to give you the money? I'm not your father.
This thing where they do is not good. It's not good. It's not good. When Mama died, you say you will take care of me.
I promised I was going to give you the money. And until I close this deal, I have no money for you.
No, I know who went.
You think about it.
So Jack, thanks very much for whatever you're doing, okay? But my wife a friend said me papa na ye munya kra. Oh, you know, until say me kokro kesi m ko share to tunia mana. Say na me adona bibia ye okay nka masa join him back. All right. You know. Why? Mati. No mo say dey say akọ say me ko du ko kesi mana papa and me free her how much? Be 5. No problem. Why na me ko na me so try so be catch Fred amame. Why? Only problem. So me na be kasa. Ya mo na largely no me na. Ernest, the only thing is the one they make kasa. No communicate.
Ernest. Unkro na ba kuro ado mo yare ana. Ade ti na waso mo yesa. Ha? One man me talk consider Wadi kuro. Oh, one wadi kuro nsu. Wadi kuro na be ba kuro anka to men cry. Wa be trouble to tini. One na ni dim komo. Wadi Tomai. sano. Ah, stone boy. Na say what done who over trouble and timpum wa. What be ji kure ya boso asa be fra and to money fra me srew. Win nim na disi abonten. Krom ahini ba chiu de bia. Ah, mete pe. Mete ansa kai bi, anwa kai na betwam. Na de na mu disi polo. Oh, egum. Nam so ene mebo modin akọ nmadi akire. Kwa na me share me mpaboi na me tehwe so. Me twa kwansini me yansa akọ pepa tintin we so. Me duru so a sese fabu men ma yem bagadere no mwa. Ale na wese mu yesa. Minim se polo kura na mu kwasi tin ma foro be pana ba me duru ho obi ani ho.
Na fabu no ko fani.
Me mpaboi.
So we dey asebo me fidie ni bi no okofa no na ono ane dia.
Wabu.
Asebo me fi nye.
Wabu. Commando na de WhatsApp mi.
Boy.
O twa commando ni wie ya no se abrante. Che no twetwene me so. Eno no ye de kodo obefa kwesi habo. Eno so so ye de ho private jet twa plane ticket. Me ye de ba Kumase. Enso me fa aka ko Kumase kwaje. Ah, ma bere pa boy ma bere no ho.
Tini e kasa na
ma me ne kasa ni nka. Okay. Me sure wa se ka me pronan ka no dinkra. Na there say me wife afre me say me ba pani na ye munya kra anti o say me bana me be hwefi anti no ne kwaso no say me bo amanye nsa na me free
akra me de o kwa kwa na o de say me nu ni ase mo e dan stone boy ne betu aka o ye bata trade o do ho na ba be bata wo mo na wo abedwo so e dan kra nke nipa ba ko na me de man mo ha na stone boy disika bele me afa me hu ye no ma ye me nsa wo dem ho na me say ah ene mi wie stone boy no ma ba ba ji wunu ya ba ko no ma je wo nso efi se e dan wo bi ada ha me ka se me de mani pa ba ko fo no ma ya ma ye tre mi free stone boy so pa me be je ma ji we ate enya ho be kra me san bo e boy ade ama ba kuno na ba je ate wa fi mpra ko pe na da ba je na ba ka se ene de yes ma kwa
so so me drink ko se ma no papa
o da so kra o de ye mamnum aha don't boy ati opa
Zomo jene di dwabre ne yemfa nye ovuo no bre
open na me
na last na ma to de na nya kra o kase nko a
na sika ni 20
se ma moska kese be adwene ya wo no ene pre kese be yan kwa mai
open dawa
da dem de dey
me ni mo sisa
ah ba dira wo ni bi fatu to bi bra na
ma blepa ma chi se dwom ho nyina me nyanam ni ma chi ba bia o mu nyansisa je
akura kakra kai wan nyansisa
hwe skane so ma me nketoa
so me nketoa bia wada mu oh wo me bra wani mu
da bio
hwe so ho aji ketoa wona ho na me nketoa ho
ah wan cho de oko
wan chira me
ne se ne de me ble
Okay, boss. Mpachoane. Yeah, the tenant say active very fast. All right, sir. But boss, the tenant say as at now intimi nya trace be a bit me di attract girl no. Mpachoane. Ye nya trace bia intimi track akra na sisia. But as at now we are still working. You are still working behind time, sir. Yes, sir. Let me get back to you, boss. Please.
I acquired that day.
My chidi, me peer me ye corner, corner me peer. Me ye corner me girby. Me suspecting. But good. Me who again be Tracy now, a corn camel. Go ahead again.
Please, let me go home. Please.
No, I'm sorry, little sister. This is not my fault. But listen, very soon your mom will bring my boss along and we'll leave you. Okay?
I'm writing exams in school. After the exams, I'm gonna come back, please.
Yes, what's going on out here?
The kid said I should free her to go write exams and come back.
Yes, please, yes.
Oh, where's my brother?
I thought you guys went together.
What do you mean by that? He said he wanted to come with me. I said no. He should go back, and he did.
Oh, I don't know anything about that.
What? The guy took my last money.
Boss, waiting.
My leg's paining me, then I have a twisted ankle. I mean, we can't find him. You guys should go back. Okay?
Okay, boss.
Go.
Take care, boss. Waiting.
Why is busy?
You dey beat me. Yeah, for business already the girl.
I don't know. Somebody kicked me from behind.
Who are you guys? No, Jack. No gunshot. Silent drill.
Alright, thank you, Bessie.
Where is he taking me?
So you are the don behind all this. It's time for you to go down!
Where the hell did you get taking that girl to, huh?
Who the hell are you to answer stupid question? We are sending her back to her mom.
Look. Do not know what you're talking about. This does not concern the two of you. It's between me and my business partner. And you don't seem to get involved in this. Don't think about it. Okay?
Now listen, we are good citizens. We do not tolerate this nonsense.
Then you go and tell your ambassador to pay me my money. Because she cheated me. And let me tell you, you better mind your business. And now you're not even taking that girl anywhere without paying my money, okay?
We are sending her back to her mom.
Lady J, where you coming from? Where are my guys?
They got murdered by these two wicked guys.
They what? Friend!
Again, how would you make a treasure?
I
don't get it. Okay, I was kidnapped. I'm a daughter of a Nigerian ambassador and I was kidnapped.
Mami, brofokasa de ntokwaba. Mentimo asi ese mama so nya brofokasa. Mami nka me krom kasa. Ne tie. E die de hawo. Aso me hwe de wo ye na im so obi pam. Bese me nkofie.
What?
Bese ma nkofie di machi.
I should follow you. Yes, you have to kill him when we get there. He's tall, he's fair in color, he has tattoo all over his body. I mean, he's having tattoo all over his body. I don't get you too. Oh, you do, you have to kill him.
Kwaku nyame eye pass me hye wa kwaku bua me wate wa mtwetwaje me bofo nyame kwaku odi no na me semesrew ababa woi na no ne brofo mente.
Hey, talk. I should tell you. Okay, I'm a daughter of a Nigerian ambassador in Ghana and I was kidnapped. They were coming. Yeah, they were coming.
Kwaku, what say?
It is a coach chat from me.
What day?
Yeah, they were coming. Should we go? Please, you better hurry up.
Tell you, come on, you see, fear not.
Maybe I'm a teen, live base, empty. I'm possible to my trouble.
Can you come? Are you a general pain? Oh, me, got a bonnet. That's a good idea. What more tell me? What a child on the school, one from Ravana. Let me win at me an enemy. Me, Shabba, what another government. Let me show Kunyam on at the out to school there. Let you warm me up. I teach you, me.
Yeah, Papa. Kasa na okana brafona kana mementa so on titintemu brafona kana on titintam yeso ye teacher brafona chain no ye titintemu ye kana boko ono zo okana wa so titi kasa no mentiase mente brafona se no fa
mapambra ntemu what teacher me kwafum emwa na wi me nya adwale me nkuruma nti me kwche na me kwema ye de ababa we ni ho hanto de waka bi ni ho amete na so asi wo me kasa ho na me so me di asi wo na die ho ani se kwakunya me se emra wo iti me sira wo boa me. Why? Young lady, what is your problem?
Okay, you can get me, right? Yes. Okay, I'm a daughter of a Nigerian ambassador in Ghana, and I was kidnapped by some people. They were coming!
Eja, what can I say? When Nigeria ban them see all Ghana, neba.
Wait. Hey, I said no any about what?
Na any paboni for being action in Naposi. If you ever say no crown, no more. Can I ever and hunt him? I jump free of
What are we doing? Let's go! They were coming, let's go! What are you doing?
But you coming to us here. About 2 million moments,
yes! Yes, they were coming! Oh my god, go! They were coming!
BC!
Where do you think you're going to? You're dead today! Where do you think you're going to? Huh?
Jai, how are you? What's up, Bobby Bone? Missy Jai. Jai. Missy Jai. Jai, how are you? What's up, Bobby Bone?
Toma na hana musipono.
Kobi.
Busy. Busy. Oh. Busy.
Okakwe ujabrota amudomu. Afi okakwe ujabrota amudomu. Afi okakwe ujabrota amudomu. Amudomu. Afi okakwe ujabrota amudomu. Hey, ukodo wo mo a. Bra, me se bra so. So obema. Fena wo. He. Wo kwa fom. Jina. Hey, bra, Maria no. Make charity. Okuno. I mean charity. It's wawu. It's you can. Wait. Ma kanti akuno. Ma yele sa sumesi die ni bi. Ma yele se do mo ya sumesi no. Obetila gude na me yakwa na. Wow. We no see what busy. Akwa bema. Hey, busy. You feel part of me kuni busy.
I'm here.
He's dead. Yes.
For good.
Makuno. He's dead for good.
We should go home.
Busy.
Yeah.
I need to take you back to mommy.
Say.
We no come mommy ho. Eja. Why? Umi coffee. Why? Umi coffee. Munya she no.
Like seriously, I am so happy. I lack words to really express how I really feel right now. I am so happy. I want to say a very big thanks to you guys for bringing my daughter back. May God richly bless you, okay? Thank you so much. And my dear, I'm also going to use this opportunity to say sorry to you for the death of your friend. I'm really very sorry about that, okay? Accept my condolence. I'm very sorry. Mr. Fred, you have done so well. God bless you, okay? Thank you so much. And like I promised you, please help me give this to him. This is a sign of appreciation for what you've done for me, okay? And this one, you can send it to your friend's family. Help me give it to him. Okay, let them just use it for anything they want to use it for. God bless you so much, okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm grateful. Thank you. for making it possible for my daughter to be back. Especially Mr. CID. Thank you so much. I'm very, very grateful. At my wonderful PA, may God bless you for me, for standing by me all through this storm. God bless you, my dear. My beautiful friend Mary, I thank you so much. Thank you for your support. Thank you for encouragement. Thank you for everything. God bless you for me. Thank you so much. I really lack ways to express my gratitude to all of you. Thank you so much. How can I forget my driver, my very special driver? Thank you so much for your tireless efforts towards making sure that my daughter will come back. If not for you, I don't know how I would have been able to, how would I have been able to, get to my daughter or even, getting her back. God bless you for me. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. Lest I forget my precious daughter, I'm very happy to have you back. Thank you so much.
Welcome, mommy.
God bless you. I want to say, I don't know, but I'm so grateful. From the depth of my heart, I'm very grateful. And I want to use this opportunity to announce to you all that I'll be relocating to China. I don't know if we'll be able to. Maybe this might be the last time we'll be meeting. I don't know when I'll be back, but I know that by the grace of God, we might meet again. Please do take good care of yourself. Thank you once again. Madam Masipa. Nyami Shira, baby. Thank you so much.